Chapter 3, Part 21. During one of his expositions, Jalal said, "Thou seest not, save that thou seest God therein." A dervish came forward and raised the objection that the term therein indicated a receptacle, whereas it could not be predicated of God, that he is comprehensible by any receptacle, as this would imply a contradiction in terms. Jalal answered him as follows: had not that unimpeachable proposition been true, we had not proffered it. There is therein, forsooth, a contradiction in terms, but it is a contradiction in time, so that the receptacle and the recepted may differ, may be two distinct things, even as the universe of God's qualities is the receptacle of the universe of God's essence, but these two universes are really one. The first of them is not he, the second of them is not other than he. Those apparently two things are in truth one and the same. How then is a contradiction in terms implied? God compromises the exterior and the interior. We cannot say he is the interior. He will not include the interior, but he comprises all, and in him all things have their being. He is then the receptacle also, compromising all existences, as the Quran, Surah 41, Ayat 54 says. He comprises all things. The dervish was convinced, bowed, and declared himself a disciple. Now, one of the things that we can look at that, right, is the, God's bigger than the biggest, smaller than the smallest, and around everything between, but he's not the creation. So when you say that God is omnipresent, you're not saying that, that everything is God or some silly thing like that.